China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is a key component of China's broader Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) and has significant geo-economic implications for Pakistan. CPEC involves massive infrastructure development, including roads, railways, and energy projects, which are intended to improve connectivity, boost trade, and address Pakistan's energy shortages. The project also aims to create special economic zones and foster economic growth in Pakistan. However, CPEC also presents challenges, including concerns about debt sustainability, the transparency of project terms, and security issues. Geo-economic implications for Pakistan: connectivity and infrastructure development. CPEC aims to enhance Pakistan's connectivity by building roads, railways, and energy infrastructure, linking its ports to China's Xinjiang region and beyond. Economic growth and development. The project is expected to stimulate economic growth in Pakistan through increased trade, investment, and job creation. Energy security. CPEC includes significant investment in energy projects which are intended to alleviate Pakistan's energy shortages and improve its energy security. Regional integration. CPEC is designed to integrate Pakistan more closely with China and other regional countries, potentially transforming Pakistan into a regional economic hub. Geopolitical significance. CPEC has geopolitical implications as it strengthens the strategic partnership between China and Pakistan and potentially alters the regional power dynamics. Special economic zones. CPEC envisions the establishment of special economic zones to attract foreign investment and promote industrial development. Debt, debt, subs- oh, Debt sustainability. Concerns exist about the potential debt burden on Pakistan's economy due to CPEC investments, particularly if the projects do not generate sufficient revenue. Security concerns. The security of CPEC projects, especially in Balochistan, remains a concern, with potential threats from militant groups. In essence, CPEC presents a complex mix of opportunities and challenges for Pakistan's geo-economic landscape. While it offers the potential for significant economic growth and development, it also raises concerns about debt security and the potential for increased regional competition. Thank you.